Hello guys, welcome to Geeks. Today we are going to learn that how you can lock your hard disk partition with Bitlocker. Guys, it's very important to keep your data and personal files safe and secure. For this purpose, I shall always recommend you a Bitlocker, which is Windows by default program, and it's very powerful and secured as compared to other third-party software. First of all, you need to go to this PC or my computer. I have local disk drive D and G. Suppose I want to apply on G, right click on G, then turn on BitLocker, then use password, click on use password, set any password. I will set 128, retype, then next. Now for recovery of your password, if you forgot, you need to save this file. Save a file for recovery. Click on save a file. You can select any location. I will select desktop, then save. The file has been saved on my desktop. This one is a file for recovery of password of your BitLocker password. Then click next. Then encrypt your files, your data, then click next. Click next. Leave encryption, then start encrypting. Now the encryption process has been started and my drive has BitLocker password. The icon has been changed. Now for applying this BitLocker, this password, you need to restart your computer. After restarting, you will get windows like this one. Now guys, the password has been set and I will open. Now I need to type my password 128. Click on log or enter. Now the drive has been unlocked for my usage. Close it. Moreover guys, click on right click. You can reset password of your BitLocker password from here, and next, from BitLocker options, you can change many of other things, like you can turn it on and off, you can remove password. So guys, thanks for watching, thanks for learning. Please like our videos and subscribe our channel. Thanks.